This video shows the flow calibration procedure in the ethylometer AE36 or AE36s. There are two options for performing flow calibration. Manual calibration is performed at 3 flow rates between approximately 1.3 to 5.5 liters per minute. The procedure allows you to enter the flow rate reported by an external flow meter manually. Automatic can be used with the BGI Tetracal or Alicat FP25 air flow calibrator connected by data cable to the AE36. This function will automatically input flow parameters in all 3 different calibration points. An external standard flow meter and the black rubber flow calibration pad are needed for the flow calibration. Please note the units and conditions of temperature and pressure at which the flow is reported on your flow meter. Please note whether the flow meter measures volumetric or mass flow and at which conditions the flow is reported, standard or ambient. If the measurements are running, press Stop Measurement. Go to the Quality Assurance, Quality Control screen, and press the Flow Calibration button to start the test. A new screen will appear. Choose Manual. Press the Skip button if the rubber pad is already in place. If not, please wait for the chamber to lift. The instrument will run through several procedures. When prompted, remove the filter tape and install the rubber flow calibration pad with the notch facing toward you. When the pad is installed, press OK. Connect the external flow meter to the inlet using well-sealed tubing and fittings. Make sure that the connections are tight. Press OK. The instrument will now measure the flow at 3 points at specific raw flow meter values close to 1.7, 3, and 5.5 liters per minute. Press the input box field and enter the flow from the external flow meter. Important. Units are liters per minute. Select the flow reporting standard or enter the ambient T and P values. Confirm by pressing Enter. Observe the flow measured by your flow meter. Important. Make sure that you insert flow readings and temperature and pressure at which your flow meter reports flow. Many flow meters display flow at ambient conditions, such as local temperature and pressure, and the same result is corrected to standard conditions. The procedure is completed after entering the last value at 5.5 liters per minute and pressing OK. A flow calibration report is displayed on the screen. After pressing OK, remove the flow calibration pad and replace the filter tape. Press OK when done. The flow calibration procedure is now completed, and calibration is saved in the setup file. Choose Auto. Press the Skip button if the rubber pad is already in place. If not, please wait for the chamber to lift. When prompted, remove the filter tape and install the rubber flow calibration pad with the notch facing toward you. When the pad is installed, press OK. Connect the external flow meter to the inlet using well-sealed tubing and fittings on the rear flow inlet connection and connect the flow meter to the USB port by USB cable. Select the proper flow meter on the screen of the ethylometer. Press OK. Wait until the flow is automatically measured in all 3 calibration points, that is, 1.7, 3, and 5.5 liters per minute. The procedure is completed after measuring at the last value of 5.5 liters per minute. A flow calibration report is displayed on the screen. After pressing OK, remove the flow calibration pad and replace the filter tape. The flow calibration procedure is now completed, and calibration is saved in the setup file.